2 reasons why Shiba Inu could go up a lot sooner. When it comes to the Shiba Inu coin, one of the things I love the most is the optimism in the community. I tell them right now that no matter if it is going down or going up in price, everyone always believes that the value will move higher and that the Shiba Inu coin is on the verge of a massive rally. The article I found today is very interesting. In fact, I agree with the technical analysis they have going on there, so let's go through it, because the headline says to give these guys 3 reasons why the price of Shiba Inu may experience massive growth in 2023. Clearly, there are a variety of forces and factors addressing the cryptocurrency market and trying to push things lower, but this guy actually found 3 reasons, and I agree that our token could go up massively this year. Let's discuss it in the next few minutes. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. This way, we invite you to press the little notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a raffle of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on 31 of May. The article mentions that the price of Shiba Inu is trying to recover, following the burning of billions of Shiba tokens in the last week. Token burning involves destroying a certain amount of existing tokens to reduce the supply in circulation. This action can have a positive impact on the price of an asset by decreasing supply and potentially increasing demand. The Shiba burning occurred in response to selling pressure and the need to increase confidence in the currency. The news highlights that around 60 billion Shiba tokens were burned, which is a significant amount. However, despite this event, the price of Shiba still faces challenges to recover. The article also mentions that the cryptocurrency market in general is not performing very well at the moment, which can both positively and negatively influence the price of Shiba. Despite this, the author highlights 3 technical indicators which could signal a possible bullish breakout for Shiba. The price is returning to the pattern support, which could fuel a bullish momentum and drive the price towards the upper trend line. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, on the weekly chart shows a bullish rise, indicating further buying pressure. Aggressive accumulation around key support around 800 points per currency suggests that buyers are preventing the price from falling further. The article concludes by inviting readers to share their opinions on whether they think it is time for a breakout for Shiba. However, it's important to keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and prices can be influenced by multiple factors. Guys, let's move on to this other article here because, as I said at the beginning of the video, it doesn't matter if Shiba is going up or going down, everybody is always optimistic, and that's what I mean. Look, it's blind optimism, but we found some reasons why it could come true. So 3 reasons why the price of Shiba Inu can experience massive growth in 2023. The downtrend started in November 2021 and changed direction sideways, which reflects the exhaustion of the bearish momentum. The formation of new higher lows in the price reflects the buyer's attempt to regain control of the trend and the possible bottom of this cryptocurrency. Right now, in today's chart analysis, we will discuss 3 reasons why the price of the token may experience significant growth in the near future. Number 1, it is good for a long-term investment. On the weekly time frame chart, the price of Shiba Inu shows the formation of a symmetrical triangle for almost a year. This meme coin has been resonating between triangles converging trend lines, which give a specific direction to the current sideways trend amid the recent correction phase in the market. The price of the token has returned to pattern support, looking for adequate support in a favorable bullish scenario. The rising trend line will regain upside momentum and bring the price back to the upper trend line located near 1,300 points per coin, which represents a 70% increase from where we are now. We have been talking about this a lot lately. You know that around this 800 points per coin mark is a big key support, which is accumulating at the time of publication. The price of Shiba was trading at 865 points and shows a short-term consolidation phase above the long-term support trend line. The sideways movement showed several failed attempts by sellers to sink the price, which reflects aggressive accumulation by market participants. So when we talked about that, you can't push the new currency below that support line, and we talked a lot about this during the live broadcasts as well. On the way down, this buying pressure could push the price higher on a potential break of the 900-point resistance level per coin, which would signal the start of a new bull cycle within the pattern. Okay, I mean that's a very short-term trend line or resistance level at very low, in that 900 to 920 range that you're talking about here. But I agree, I mean, if you're looking for a very short-term resistance level, yes, we need to break back above 900 points per coin. On the other hand, the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, turns bullish on the weekly chart, so I know I don't talk much about technical indicators. I usually look at support and resistance lines. That's my bread and butter, that's what I like to go to. But the Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator, which is used to determine the strength of recent movement of an asset. It has turned bullish on the Shiba Inu coin. It says that while the price of the token is still making a series of lower highs, the weekly RSI slope shows an obvious increase, indicating increased buying pressure amid the sideways trend. This bullish divergence increases the possibility of a bullish reversal and a bullish breakout of the triangle pattern, and then this continues to talk about the possibility of breaking out of that 1,300-point range per coin. You know what he thinks is the possibility that I agree with all of this. It's okay if you're looking at Shiba Inu strictly from a technical aspect right now. The RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, is turning bullish. It's not one I use too often. I prefer support and resistance, but nonetheless, this momentum indicator is bullish, which means technical traders can consider entering positions, even though they haven't. So they're looking for these changes. I mean, it just depends on what your choice is when it comes to technical analysis. Some people like Japanese candlesticks as momentum indicators. I like support and resistance. That's what they like, right? Some of these guys using RSI, they may be willing to buy what they weren't willing to buy before if you look at the accumulation around 800 points per currency. I agree with this guy. It's not possible to push it down, even though the market is extremely bearish right now. The bulls are still buying the dip and we're getting into this, but we have that horizontal line around 800 and the downtrend line of that 8,800 point per coin mark, which is basically pushing us towards the lower end of this triangle, which the Shiba Inu coin should break one way or the other, either to the upside or to the downside. So these are three signs that the cryptocurrency could be on the verge of a breakout. We have to remember that the crypto market in general and the economy are not doing very well right now. So that will be a factor in a positive or negative strength, but the Shiba Inu coin could look pretty good. I'm wondering what you guys think. I know the price action has come down a lot, but these are three indicators that it may be moving higher. Do you think it's time for a breakout in the currency? Write us your answer in the comments section below. That brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video with as many people as possible. Let's make this news reach everywhere. If you are true cryptocurrency fans, don't miss any of our content. See you next time to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.